The roof of your home is important to keep you, your family, and your belongings safe. To get the longest life from your roof system, it is important to have it inspected yearly. An inspection will help locate problems due to moisture, which could lead to expensive roofing repairs. The yearly maintenance job of an inspection is overlooked by homeowners until they are in a situation in which they are facing costly roof problems. By adding a yearly inspection to your calendar, you can avoid being a homeowner who finds themselves facing expensive roofing repairs. You have the option of inspecting the roof yourself or calling in the help of a roofing contractor. There are ways you can inspect your own roof without climbing a ladder. We're pointing out some of the more obvious signs around your home that can point you to potential issues with roof problems. A couple of things that you could look for are caulking that has cracked, as well as any shingles that may appear as though they have buckled, blistered, curled, or be broken. If you find grit buildup from asphalt roofing tiles in or near the gutters, you need to have a professional involved immediately. This could be a sign that your roof is nearing the end of its life cycle and needs replacing before other issues arise. Cheap, simple roofing repairs, if you notice signs of leaks or other damages, it's always best to call in the professionals. Most people aren't comfortable climbing on top of the roof and don't have the skills required to perform proper repairs. Hiring a professional roofing contractor is always your best bet to ensure your safety.